Kajingkado Dr. Mukul Sangma UMLA ka All India Trinamool Congress na songsak ubadai ru unong elam kalyang persya hakaying dorbar tauan ka jela boom kwa ban sngap i kajinge tingku jinge ka sorkar Halor ka Shillong Medical College ka bala Jubab da ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo ka menteri bari kmi ya katanat ka kot ka khya ha ka baw laong baw kwa ban tip kumnu ka jingya khmat jong ka tai ka Medical College ka bala penlong yo menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ki sangma ban Kyntu kala yo Dr. Mukul ban long uba Ïaishah Kani kejingiannya kala jia haswa ban kutno ka kenta kali jingkeli haka sngi baar ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka yeng dorbar tauan ka jela Meghalaya haka lai tarik ulber arja arpusan haswa kani u Dr. Mukul ulabu jingkeli ya ka menteri badi kmi ya katanat ka kot ka khya Halor ka jingya chakmat ka Shillong Medical College ya ka ba ka menteri kala batai bania ya ki babun ki benta ki bayadai bat katai ka jaka pulih.
So the government of Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Department is undertaking the establishment of the government-run Shillong Medical College with the objective of strengthening medical education and enhancing healthcare services within the state. All the preparing steps underway to start the first batch during this academic year, subject to approval of the NMC, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, while I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for replying, reflecting the measures being taken, but it's still not clear. There is no clarity. Where are we as of now? We understand that the effort and intent of the government is to start the academic session from the current academic session, but are we really prepared enough? What are those steps which are referred to here as all the preparing steps? What are those steps?
So number A, the Pasteur Institute is being converted into an academic block. So that is the first thing. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We've designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. So now we need to look at the number of beds as per NMC criterions. So we've said there was no need to invest so much money. If you remember in the earlier proposal, there was a big financial implication. And to operationalize this medical college in Shillong, there was no need for us to invest. There were committees instituted, there were studies conducted, there was a lot of debate and discussion already initiated on this matter. Cost of medical studies. The moment you say private institution, we will always look at what is this private institution asking for. So we understand that there is anxiety and anxiousness, but the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with NEHU. That was also required. And then we've looked now at what are the infrastructure requirements. What is the cost that will be actually incurred to develop a brownfield project of this kind. So then we've also looked at when is the NMC coming? Are we ready for the NMC to come? We've gone ahead and we've looked at the requirement of professors. We've gone ahead and we've sat in the cabinet to look at...
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have not asked the problems associated, the challenges associated with the establishment of the proposed medical college. I am specific in my question, the steps which has been completed so far in respect to establishment and with the intent to give fruition to your ambition of ensuring that the academic session starts from the current year. That's the question.
So we have done all of this.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would urge the Honorable LO to be patient to listen to the reply. The Honourable Minister is giving exactly that reply. The problem was that there's the issue of manpower. She's explaining the steps that have been taken, and now the manpower issue is resolved. There's the issue of space, and she's mentioned that there's steps have been taken to address the issue of the manpower, of the infrastructure. So she is precisely replying to what the Honourable LO has asked. So I would request through you that to allow the member to allow the minister to give the detailed reply, because that's how we'll be able to clarify the entire situation.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.